Ireland 1879 finds 15 witnesses saw something that would change their village forever.
August 21st, 1879, Sen. Rain poured down on the small church in Knock, Ireland. Then the impossible happened. "15 people saw the same vision, Our Lady silent and glowing, floating above the ground at the church wall. The witnesses described her day. White robe, gold crown, hands raised in prayer, tones, exactly like traditional depictions.
The golden crown represented her queenship, Biabla, Queen of Ireland, the witnesses called her. Mary McLoughlin was first to see it wreaths. She called her neighbors. Soon 15 people stood in the rain watching the glowing figures. Every August, pilgrims flock to Knock to Mend. Over 1 million visitors yearly to the shrine where Our Lady appeared.
These statues travel worldwide, especially to Irish communities in America, Australia, and Britain.
Pure white horror, the witnesses were unanimous pause. Her robe glowed white, even in the darkness and rain. She never spoke Beva. The entire apparition was silent Mia, but her presence brought healing and hope.
Before leaving the factory, Irish priests blessed the statues, continuing the tradition from Knock Shrine itself.
For Irish immigrants worldwide, Our Lady of Knock represents home, a piece of Ireland in their new lands.
From a rainy night in 1879 to shrines across the world concepts, Our Lady of Knock continues her silent vigil. The 15 witnesses never changed their story, even under intense questioning. What they saw was real.
Pilgrims come seeking healing blues. Many leave their crutches behind. Miracles continue at Knock. In Boston, New York, Chicago, Kirots, Irish-American parishes display Our Lady of Knock in connecting generations to their roots. From pocket-sized for travelers to monumental for churches, Mayo, Our Lady of Knock at every scale. August 21st every year tell the anniversary of the apparition, and the thousands gather at Knock for special mass and procession. Medical records document unexplained healings at Knock Ray. The church has verified several as miraculous. Irish grandmothers teach grandchildren to pray the rosary before Our Lady of Knock, passing faith through generations. Her silence speaks volumes, no words needed. Her presence alone brings peace. Even in rained event, like that night in 1879 there, Our Lady of Knock stands watch over her people. Many workers here are Irish or of Irish descent. They craft Our Lady of Knock with ancestral pride. Production triples in July and August for the anniversary pilgrimage season.
From Ireland to America, Australia to Britain, wherever the Irish went, Our Lady of Knock followed.
One rainy night, 15 witnesses, one silent vision house. Our Lady of Knock became Ireland's gift to the world.
Our Lady of Knock, Queen of Ireland, pray for us.
Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners, now and at the hour of our death.